Shifting focus, understanding changing gears in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, changing gears. This is a common expression in English, and understanding it can really enhance your conversational skills. So, let's dive in and find out what it means to change gears in different contexts. The term, changing gears, originates from driving. In a vehicle, changing gears means shifting from one gear to another to adjust the speed or power of the engine. It's about finding the right gear for the right moment. Whether you're speeding up, slowing down, or climbing a hill. In everyday English, changing gears is used metaphorically. It means to change what you are doing, thinking about, or discussing. It's like shifting your focus or approach to something new or different. For instance, if you're in a meeting discussing finances and suddenly switch to discussing marketing strategies, you're changing gears. Let's look at some examples to understand it better. After discussing our budget, let's change gears and talk about our upcoming projects. I've been working on this report all morning, but now I need to change gears and focus on preparing for the meeting. There are variations of this phrase, like shifting gears or switching gears. They all convey the same idea of transitioning from one thing to another. And that wraps up our exploration of changing gears. Remember, it's all about transitioning your focus or approach, just like changing gears in a car. We hope this video has been informative and helps you use this phrase confidently in your conversations. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.